morning, folks. My name is Chris Wenzler, product specialist here at Heritage Ford. This week's featured vehicle is this 2015 Escape. This is covered under factory warranty. This is a titanium. For features and benefits I'd like to go over is a remote start. Benefit to you, obviously you can stay inside, warm your car as it's cold outside. Very, very simple application. Press the button twice and voila, it's on. Second feature I'd like to point out is the keyless or push button door pad here. You can press it, you can unlock it, you can press it and lock it. Backup feature on that I want to go over is the keypad here. If for some reason you forgot your key, you need to get in for last minute items, you have a 5-digit code you can punch in to get in the door, making things very, very, very convenient. The fourth and final feature I'd like to go over, it's a very, very simple thing, but it is the electric seat. It's very, very simple, very, very common in a lot of today's vehicles, but it allows you to be able to be comfortable and not have to hit around on the little wire in the front. Folks, my name is Chris Wenzler, product specialist here at Heritage Ford. Come on out if you have a few minutes. You can take a look at a lot of the vehicles we got. We've got more coming in, as a matter of fact. Folks, they're coming in hordes. We'd love to see you guys. Have a great day.